How to fix Noritz Error Code 11. First, check that the gas is on. Make sure the gas supply valve to the Noritz is fully open. If you're using propane, also make sure the tank isn't empty. Step 2. Check the vent. Look at the outside intake and exhaust vents and make sure they're not blocked by debris, leaves, snow, or other obstructions. Noritz lists airflow or venting problems as a possible cause of error 11. Step 3. Power cycle the heater. Turn the heater off, open a hot water faucet, then turn the heater back on. Noritz's owner documentation specifically recommends this procedure for error 11. Step 4. Check whether it sparks. Noritz recommends using the heater's sight glass to determine whether the burner is actually igniting. If there's no spark, the ignition rod, igniter, high voltage wiring, or control board could be involved. Step 5. If it sparks but doesn't ignite. If you see a spark but no flame, the issue is likely related to the gas supply or gas delivery. Noritz says gas pressure testing should be performed by a qualified professional. Step 6. If you see a flame for a second or two and then get error 11, the heater may be failing to detect the flame. Noritz identifies the flame rod, its wiring, and proper grounding as possible causes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.